How to cancel CapCut Pro subscription on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on your name. Here you will see the subscription option. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your subscriptions. Simply tap on the CapCut option and you will further see the Cancel subscription option. Tap on that and in the confirmation window that appears, tap on the Continue button, and with this, your subscription will be cancelled on CapCut Pro. So, this is how you can cancel CapCut Pro subscription on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.